think we're in a recession. I think that Lowe's will weather the recession fairly handily because we have a lot of other positive forces in our store and in our market right now. But I do think.
But how have you come, Stephen, to the conclusion that we're in a recession? Looking at your store.
Not simply by looking at my store, but rather an overall sense of the panic that is encroached on the populace as a result of the housing crisis, the mortgage crisis, and the way that will slow down home building and
how has Kohl's been affected?
How have we been directly affected by that? I think we saw a slower Christmas in December. Again, there were some exogenous factors that are hard to weigh in the equation, but overall we were down, and I expected to be down somewhat, but I think we were down more because people are less likely to go out and do discretionary spending, especially as the holiday approaches closer. The last 2 weeks were much weaker than I would have anticipated.